Second, write the set of parallels and perpendiculars in the given by using symbols. 1, 2, 3. A, B, D, C, A, D, B, C, A, Q, P, C. ఇవేంటి ప్యారలల్స్. ఇవి పాయింట్ వైజ్గా రాద్దాం. సొల్యూషన్ చూడండి. 1 ABDC are parallel lines. We denote this by writing AB parallel DC and can be read as AB is parallel to DC. B ADBC are parallel lines. We denote this by writing ADBC and can be read as AD is parallel to BC. C AQPC are parallel lines. We denote this by writing AQ parallel PC and can be read as AQ is parallel to PC. Perpendicular lines గురించి చెప్పుకుందాం. AB AD AB AD AB BC AB BC CD AD CD AD D AB AD are perpendicular lines. We denote this by writing AB perpendicular AD and can be read as AB is perpendicular to AD. AB BC are perpendicular lines. We denote this by writing AB perpendicular BC and can be read as AB is perpendicular to BC. F BC CD are perpendicular lines. We denote this by writing BC perpendicular CD and can be read as BC is perpendicular to CD. G CD AD are perpendicular lines. We denote this by writing CD perpendicular AD and can be read as CD is perpendicular to AD. Second, PX QR perpendicular. చూడండి, PX QR are perpendicular lines. We denote this by writing PX perpendicular QR and can be read as PX is perpendicular to QR. Third, LM KN MN LK ON LP LM ON LM ON LPKN LPKN. Third, LMKN are parallel lines. We denote this by writing LM parallel KN and can be read as LM is parallel to KN. B MN LK are parallel lines. We denote this by writing MN parallel LK and KN be read as MN is parallel to LK. C ON LP are parallel lines. We denote this by writing ON parallel LP and KN be read as ON is parallel to LP. D LM ON are perpendicular lines. We denote this by writing ON perpendicular. LM and can be read as ON is perpendicular to LM. LPKN are perpendicular lines. We denote this by writing LP perpendicular KN and can be read as LP is perpendicular to KN. Third, from the given figure, find out the intersecting lines and concurrent lines. Solution 1, 2. 1. Intersecting lines L, M, N, O. LM, LN, LO. MN, MO. NO. చూడండి LM, LN, NO, MO, LO, MN. Second, intersecting lines PQ, PR, PS, QR, QS. Concurrent lines P, Q, S.